Hello guys, hi. Welcome to my channel. Well, welcome to Yolanda Crowley's blog. So anyway guys, today I'm gonna inform you that we have got a new washing machine, which is really good. So I put already the clothes, white clothes inside, and I'm gonna show you this kind of washing machine. It's so good, very nice. This brand is washer dryer 2-in-1. Okay, I'm gonna operate and see how, okay. Okay guys, this is our new washing machine. The brand is LG inverter direct drive 8, and could wash and dryer could get to wash 5 kilogram. And here has got cotton, eco, mixed fabric, easy care, baby care, normal dry, low temperature dry, time dry, quick 30, and rinse plus spin. And what is this? The power is here, so I'm gonna turn on that later. And this is a washer plus dryer 2-in-1. So now I'm gonna open this. So this is for the powder, and this is for the clothes conditioning. So the first thing I have to do is I have to get the powder soap. Okay, and I'm gonna put that in here. Oops, need to open widely. And then I put that here. All right, and then I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put comfort. Okay, and then I will put here in this little box. That's it. And I will close this. And then now I'm gonna close this box. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on the power. Look at the sounds. There is a sound. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that into cotton because it is white, so I'll put it on cotton. And then this is the power. Yes, we'll see. Now it's turned on, and then we have to wait. Now we start turning, and then later on the water will gonna come out from here to the inside, because there is a connection, the water tap at the back of the washing machine. Now it's turning. So we will see when it's nearly finished. Oh, now is it starting? So the water, it's not like the other washing machine that it goes the water really quite a lot in one go, but this is bit by bit there is a running water coming out. So it's not continuously like once, you know, at once. So that's why I think it's good. Okay, we will see when it's, you know, starting washing. Now you can hear now the water. You can hear the water. I think the water here from the box. Yeah. So that wash is, it will be 1 hour and a half. So now we got only 1 hour and 28 minutes more. Now it's spinning now. Okay guys, you can see it's only 2 minutes left, so we have to wait. Now it's finished. It's nearly finished anyway. Now 1 minute left. It's nearly finished. Oh, that sounds good. Wow, when it's finished, it has a sounds, lovely sounds. It reminds you that the washing machine is finished. Thank you, LG. Thank you, lovely washing machine. I love it. I like it. Thank you. Oh, not yet. Well, in a minute, you can open the door. Guys, now the washing machine is finished. I can open the door. Wow, it's so amazing. I love it. Nice. Now I can hang it, or I can dry some of it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a lovely day wherever you are. Have a good evening wherever you are. God bless you all. Hi guys, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.